Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues on your OPPO Reno 15. So the first thing that we have to do is to open the settings on our device. Now, what I do recommend doing is to open Bluetooth over here. Now you do have here your device paired, but you can't connect to this device. Tap this device and forget it from your phone. After that, just do a factory reset of your device, of your headphone, speaker, everything. Your Bluetooth device. After that, what I do recommend doing is to turn off Bluetooth on in your device. Then turn it on back again. Now, once you are here, just try to connect to your device. Make sure that your device, Bluetooth device, is in pairing mode. If it isn't, just if it isn't, you need to enter the pairing mode to have this option available. And actually, that's it. As for here, the Bluetooth over here. Apart from that, what you can try to do is to restart your phone by holding power and volume up button and moving this wire sticker to restart, and going back and here scroll down system and update, and here what you can do is set a backup and reset phone and reset network and Bluetooth settings. There's the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. You have to enter your Wi-Fi network back again, enter your own Bluetooth devices back again, and that's it. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.